Well, we're actually standing on a little lake. It's kind of snowy and icy. I don't quite know what it is anymore, but anyway, you can walk on it. That's the point. Hi.
There we go.
The hermit on his way around the world trying to do good to man. And there's the other kid as well. Look out behind you! Look!
Returning home after battle. His heart beating. His ears pounding. Shut up! Oh.
Of course now it sinks! Oh, John! Take a look!
So this is the middle of Larchmont, and we've been living just over one of the stores here. You can see all these little stores, and they all look like little kind of old English village stores. And so we've been living over the top of one of these. So that's our house, the little blue apartment at the top there.
That's my room over there.
And we're not going to be there for too much longer now, so this might be one of the few times that we actually get to film this.